And can I just say, Richard Hammond, that is how you drive down Elvedon Airfield. I did promise you that you get to see a lady in the bath.
We're on our way to Van Life Festival. Now the only thing with Van Life Festivals is you can't always shower, so we're going to show you how we cope with that.
So if you're lucky, you might well have a shower cubicle on site. That's the first option. So for the second option, we have got a shower tent, and we also have a shower that plugs into the back of the van. Does only give you cold water though. Okay. So there is a third way of washing, courtesy of a company called Pits and Bits. So they've sent us out some towel off shampoo, so you can use it dry. It's wet, but you use it dry and you dry it off. And we've also got some body wash. Now Claire didn't want to get her top off and try this for you, so you are going to have this beach body. Right, let's give it a go. So we have got, first of all, the body wash. We'll give that a go. Thank you for wolf whistling me, Claire. There we go.
That was better, wasn't it?
So basically, you just lather it up. You give it a good going over. Can you grab me the towel, my glamorous assistant?
There we go.
There we go. And I'll tell you what it feels like afterwards. Now initially, I'll be honest, it is a little bit sticky, but it does feel cleansing and refreshing, and eventually that kind of does go after a couple of minutes. So yeah, it's a real good alternative. But the shampoo is apple fragrance, so I'm going to give this a go now and show you how that works. As you can see, my hair is a right mess from where I've woken up in bed. And just put it in the hair and just lather it in, lather it in, lather it in. There you go. Right, you got a brush I can borrow?
My rainbow brush.
Now I'm doing this without a mirror, guys. And there we go, we're all done. So that is Pits and Bits. Now if you keep watching this video to the end, you'll see a nice girl in the bath. So, good morning. As we said earlier, we're at Van Love. I'm just going to show you where we stayed last night. Look at this. We stayed on a runway. Take a look at all of those vans. We're going to go and get breakfast now. Something special that we've never ever considered before. And I would say it's pretty much a van life staple. Come with us. Yeah. Right, Claire, tell your fans what you got for breakfast.
I've got the second breakfast. I have got loaded fries with bacon, egg, sausage, cheese, brown sauce. I'm gonna enjoy this.
So I've never ever had chips for breakfast. They come from a stall called Nan's Kitchen. She's a lovely lady. Show some footage of the stall because she's got socials as well. We're sitting here with music in the background, lovely sunshine. Oh, and I'm just going to correct something. It's actually Claire's third breakfast. She had a yoghurt, a pastry, and now this. Is that true?
Busted.
So I'm here with the boss of the breakfasts, and she's going to tell you how that one was.
Perfect. And it was a perfect way to soak up the hangover from last night.
Yeah, check out what happened last night. Hey! 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 Bum! Bum bum ba 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 bum.
Down the waterfall, wherever it may take me. I know that life won't break me when I come to call.
So you're not short on food or drink here. Behind me you've got the bar. Now the drinks are fantastic value. You pay £1.50 for a reusable cup, and then it's £3.50 a pint, which for a festival ain't too bad. Also you can get a small glass of wine for £3.50. That's just in there. And moving along, you've got various different options for places to eat. You've got ice cream. You've got someone waving at us. You've got, what we got? We've got Prosecco. You've then got Bar Zero, where they do cocktails that are like your mocktails. Oh, you've got Mark waving as well. It's got a few other quirky things. You've got a few workshops. Behind us, they're actually doing a live van conversion. The other thing we've got, I'm just going to take you over to, is you've got a fire engine here as well. So, great stuff. So there we go. If anything goes wrong on site, these guys are here. That's for taking the roof off to convert it into a pop top, I think. So it's actually quite hot out, so Claire's taking the dogs back to the van and she's getting me a drink ready. So I'm going to head back down the runway, back to the van, where I want to show you something quite cool. So guys, we're back at the van. I just want to show you something. Any of you remember pirate radio, where you tune your radio into some obscure low number and you get a radio station that's being broadcast locally? Well, you can tune in your van to what is going on at the main stage. Let me show you.
Let me say yay! Okay, that's great. Next event up is we've got a drum.
So this is the reality sometimes of a van life festival. I'm here editing another video for you guys, and Claire's in the background doing Instagram. Good morning. So after we left you yesterday, while I was doing the editing, it was quite a hot afternoon, so we didn't really do a lot, and we didn't do a lot of filming. But you might be wondering why I'm wearing a Hawaiian shirt. And that is because I wore it last night because it is Hawaiian night, and it was that cool and comfortable that I've decided to wear it again this morning. Now last night was a great night. It was another silent disco and there's Hawaiian music. Oh, and Tessie got up and danced with me. Check this montage out.
Come on.
Well, so hopefully you enjoyed that footage. It's now breakfast time. Claire, what you got?
I got a breakfast bat, but I think it might be messy. I got an egg.
I'm wondering whether to carry on filming actually.
Yes. I might get in a mess.
I'm going to carry on filming, but she might not let me put the footage in. Look at that egg. You alright?
Mm-hmm. She's not got down to the egg yet. So far so good. Stop filming me.
So let me just explain to you what we're doing. We're not on the motorway, and that's not a mad woman walking in between the lanes. We're actually in a formation, and we're going to drive in formation off of the airfield. Claire will hopefully catch the footage down the other end as we go past. That was mental.
So baby, give me that. Let me get that. All together now on the 3579. I wish you safe travels on your journeys over wherever the roads may take you.
So after that fun-filled weekend, I did promise you that you get to see a lady in the bath. Let's go and see what's happening. Shh. Here she is.
There's my little lady in the bath.
What are you doing, Claire?
So I'm going to try this Pits and Bits doggy shampoo. So you literally don't need water. You just put it on, lather it up, and then we towel it off. So we're going to give it a go, because we've all got festival hair and fur, haven't we, Tessie? There's a peppermint one, but we've gone with the mulberry. And it actually smells quite nice.
I can smell it from here.
It smells lovely, doesn't it?
It's better than Fox's poo.
So yeah, that seems to be working well. Right, now let's just towel it off.
This is what I'm interested in, how it comes off and what she's like after. Brilliant.
Smell nice, don't you, darling? There you go. Does she look a bit cleaner?
I think so.
Look a bit fresher? There we go. Bits and Bits doggy shampoo.
So that is us done. Oh, except for one last message. Back to the airfield. And can I just say, Richard Hammond, that is how you drive down Elvedon Airfield. And on that bombshell, good night.